Hi, this is the HAFURY GT20 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the Ampere. Just to get this application we should tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap to open the app, click yes, agree, pick close and tap to OK. Just to check the battery temperature, you should find the temperature section, and in my case, the temperature of my battery is 27.2 degrees. So also we get here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.